Hey you guys, it's Deborah again. I am here to do a get ready with me, okay? Today I decided to beat the heck out of my face. So let's just jump in since I'm just jumping in. I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Primer to prime my face all over. I don't know why I closed my eyes, but maybe I was really feeling the massage. I am taking the Huda Beauty foundation in shade Coffee Bean to do my foundation. Listen, this is my first time using this foundation. Well, at this point, it was my second time using it and it was absolutely amazing. Like, look at the coverage. I know I'm speeding this part up, but look at the coverage. I'm sorry that my pineapple keeps on ruining my light, but as some of you may know, I wear glasses, so I technically do my makeup with like half sight. So I need the mirror in my eye so that I can see what's happening. So yeah, anyways, I'm putting it all over my head. Now, on my forehead, it does appear to not like match properly, like it is a bit light, but it all works out in the end. Don't worry when I contour and bronze and all of that jazz. But yeah, I'm just applying my foundation. I decided to do it over, what's this thing called? A talk over today, because I talk a lot and I just wasn't in the mood that day. I just wanted to get it over and done with. So yeah, I'm moving on to my concealers now. I use the Fenty Beauty concealer first in shade 430. I really like this concealer. Not a lot of people talk about it, but I really do like it. I think it's because it's just a staple, like it does what it needs to. It covers how I want it to cover. It isn't a matte or a dewy finish. It's like in between. It's very comfortable underneath your eyes and it's just, yeah, just beautiful. And then going in with my Fenty Beauty matchstick in, I think, Cocoa or something like that. Everything will be listed down below anyways, and I'm just putting it all over my head. As you can see, I have a lot of face, so I apply my contour heavily because your girl is still working on losing the extra face that I have, right? But yeah, I'm just blending it out with my Real Techniques brush. I have had this brush for years. I probably need to change it, but I'm not ready to depart from this brush, especially when it's not broken. But yeah, I'm then going over with my Remsco Creation sponge. It is an amazing sponge. Anybody that has used this sponge will know the softness of this sponge is incomparable. Is that the word? Is that word? Incomparable to any other sponge. It's so soft. It just does exactly what I need it to do. And just look at how my under eye looks so smooth and just a nice canvas. I then go in with my Toofaced concealer in shade Butterscotch. Butterscotch is a very light shade and I didn't really clock that when I bought it, so I have to use it as my last step in my highlighting routine. But it always works out well. Now, for all the babes that walk around without blended faces, let's stop this. In 2021, let's not do that again. As you can see, I'm going in with all the brushes I used before and all the sponges I used before just to make sure everything looks blended. I'm looking in all sorts of mirrors. I'm making sure that my contour is not too harsh. I'm just keep on going. Use your foundation brush and use your sponge to just blend it all in. So I clearly didn't realize that this was upside down, but I'm using the Fenty Beauty setting powder in shade Honey. This is a very nice setting powder. I think it just does what I need it to do. It retains the color of my highlight, which I love the most. I do want to get back my Laura Mercier one because it is time to switch up again, but you know that Laura can be a bit pricey sometimes, but it's okay, we'll figure it out. Now, this is the most exciting part of this entire look. I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. I am doing a spotlight eye today. So the first color that I took, I believe I used shade Henna. If it's not shade Henna, then it's shade Man Eater, but I think it's shade Henna. And I just went in on both sides of my eye, leaving the center empty. I then went in with shade Cocoa, which is a nice soft brown. It is a very true brown, not like a reddy brown or a dark grayish brown. We don't want that, okay? And then I went in with shade Fling, which is like a pink, you know that like consistency of like a sticky eyeshadow. Like if you've got a few eyeshadows, you know exactly what I'm talking about, but it's like a sticky, almost, I don't know what the word is. And then I went in with shade Bubbly on top of that to make it look extra popping and extra defined and shimmery. And I'm taking this gorgeous black shade to deepen the outer corners of this eyeshadow look in shade Black Truffle. It's the only black shade in the palette, but it is the best color, okay? I'm just using my fingers to make sure everything is popping, looking in the mirror closely. You don't be afraid to use your fingers when you're doing eyeshadow, because sometimes you just don't get it right with the brushes. I'm doing like a very gentle, just humble black liquid liner right now. I'm using my eyeliner from Savers. It's the only eyeliner I use. It's £1 and it's amazing. So I left this part in specifically because I never normally show it. But before I put on my eyelashes, I always put on mascara. And I'm using the Toofaced, not Bad Girl Bang, the other one, Damn Girl or something like that. It's a tester one that I got when I bought some stuff from Toofaced, but it's amazing. Now the eyes are done. I've done my brows, I've done my eyelashes, nothing too hectic. And I'm just going in with setting my under eye. I'm using a BH Cosmetics powder to set my under eye because it is the lightest powder that I own. I used to use it on clients when I took clients before, but now I just use it on myself. And yeah, I'm using my Black Melanin Makeup powder to set my whole face. It's a beautiful powder. I'm using shade Medium Deep. I wish there was like one shade darker. Sometimes I think setting powder doesn't always darken your face. It just makes it just like, I don't know, sometimes I don't know what it is I have a love-hate relationship with loose setting powders. But yeah, I'm now picking up an oldie but a goodie. I'm picking up the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami bronzer, okay? This was the bronzer that I did not put down all throughout 2019. And then the Makeup Revolution one came, but I was like, nah, there's something in this one that I just need to, you know, bring back the juices. I'm taking the Nip and Fab Beauty Blush Powder, and as you can see, I'm just going in with all the colours, okay? It doesn't matter which colour I take, I just want that rosy goodness, okay? When I want a more warm tone, I'll take the orange one, but for the most part, I just go in with all the colours because it doesn't matter to me. I do put it on my forehead just to make everything look cohesive. Yeah, and I'm doing my highlight. I'm using the Artist Couture X Jackie Aina highlighter. If you didn't get it when it came out, baby girl, I can't help you, baby girl. That was the original one. And now we're getting to the end of the look already. I'm spraying my face with the All Nighter spray from Urban Decay, an amazing spray. I recently repurchased it and baby, it slaps, okay? Lining my lips with the Kiko Milano 321 pencil. It's an amazing pencil. I'm really bad at lining my lips, but I just try my best wherever I can, okay? Yeah, look at the concentration is real because I know that if I flop this, I'll just be sad. Yeah, and I'm going in with a MAC lipstick. Oh, I never remember the name of this lipstick, but I will put it in the description box. It's a beautiful matte lip. Actually, it's like a soft matte lipstick, actually. It's not like the Ruby Woo, which is a very, very matte lipstick. Yeah, I'm using, I should be ashamed of this, but I'm using the Morphe lip gloss. You know, Morphe have their problems, but I'm using the Morphe lip gloss in shade Candy or something like that. It's a beautiful color. And then I'm topping it off with my Hair Shop lip gloss because until someone puts Hair Shop lip gloss in a liquid container, I will forever use this thing, okay? It is amazing. The way that it's just sticky and gooey, I love it. And there we have it. See fine girl. See fine girl. O'Shea. O'Shea, yes. Look at her safe. Oh, fine, budget. Oh, fine, B. Look at see spotlight eye. Okay, Deb. Okay, is that you, Debs? Yeah, show them your smile with your pearly whites. Who do I think I am? Who do I think I am? Wow, yes, and dance. Oh, yeah, dance. Show me your dancing step. Show me your dancing step. What? Go, girl. It's your birthday. It's not your birthday, but every day is your birthday. I had to do that one at the end. My eyes started watering. I was really upset, but it's okay. Period. I'll catch you all in my next video. Have a lovely evening, day, night, whenever you're watching this. Bye.